Hello everyone, today I would be sharing with you blue bronze cut crease eye makeup look. I have highlighted crease line using glitter. It is easy. I will put forward before you how to get that glitter highlight. If you are interested in knowing how to get this eye look, then please continue watching this tutorial. The links to the products that I would be using are mentioned in the description box below. As my makeup palette, I am using Mass Jashne Shringar palette and picking this blue eyeshadow. I'm packing this eyeshadow on my outer V using Sigma E33 brush. Build the eyeshadow. Intensity on outer V should be greater. To deepen this blue eyeshadow on my outer V, I would be using black eyeshadow. Black eyeshadows are very pigmented. Pat a little and begin blending. Don't deposit a very huge amount. Build the eyeshadow slowly and intensify your blue eyeshadow. Next, I'm using first eyeshadow here, the blue eyeshadow, first blue eyeshadow, that which I packed on outer V. Fill your half crease using the same eyeshadow. Move the brush in circular motion. After this, I would be creating half cut crease. Pull only the mid concealer towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. To blend concealer with outer V. Next, I'm using this bronze eyeshadow. Cover whole of the concealer. To blend this bronze with outer V eyeshadow, I would be packing this light blue shimmery eyeshadow on my eye mid. It is transitioning from bronze to blue, light blue. And then there is deeper eyeshadow on my outer V. Push it towards bronze eyeshadow to blend it with bronze eyeshadow. Push matte eyeshadow towards the shimmer eyeshadow to blend it with the shimmery eyeshadow. Now I'm using this glitter to highlight my crease line. Place the glitter just on the tip of the wand and begin applying. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. Now I'm creating pointed inner corner. After this, I would be coating kajal on my waterline. I'm using kajal from Color Bar. Next, I'm applying blue eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Smush the kajal using blue eyeshadow. The kajal should get smushed and traces of blue eyeshadow be visible. Now I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes while coating mascara on them. I'm using Iconic Lakme mascara. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup look, then please hit the subscribe button for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.